Welcome to 3501 Brookwood. It is Focus on Nova staging day. We're just about ready. Maura, who's doing the filming, Ingrid and I have loaded the trucks, brought in the goods, and we're ready to show off this 2-year-old front door and fantastic house in Brookwood. We're going to be live next week. Mark your calendars. What a better surprise for Valentine's Day than a brand new spanking house. Check out the open floor plan with the living room, the dining room, an amazing kitchen, complete with the beautiful contemporary looking cabinets, stainless steel appliances, gas cooking, farmers, progressive industrial looking sink. Check out the backyard here. It is a fully fenced backyard, doors locked, fully fenced backyard with an amazing shed over there, and they even upgraded it with these gorgeous balusters and fire pit and patio work. I mean, it's just ready to go for entertaining. Let me show you upstairs. Upstairs. We're going fast. We're moving. Go ahead, Ingrid. There we go. Go on upstairs. We've got the split level here to include the master bedroom, which is enormous. For this age house, it's absolutely enormous. Everything's freshly painted, new carpet throughout this level, and the third level downstairs. We've got a master bathroom right in here that's been renovated, neutral colors throughout. It's just fantastic. There are 2 more bedrooms to include the super cute nursery that's in here. And yes, the little curtains that are yellow convey, and they're so stinking cute. And then right next to Maura is the 3rd bedroom. Pretty amazing. Again, huge bedrooms, absolutely huge. We then have our full bathroom on the hall level, ready to go. And there's Maura, whose Patriots lost. So then coming on down, this is the 3rd level over here. Tax record shows a legal 4th bedroom, so we will be listing this as a 4-bedroom house. They used it as a nice office for when he was telecommuting from home. This is the laundry room right in here. And then you've got this light and bright family room area with access to the patio. Custom built-in cabinets over there for your audio-visual. And then over here is the 3rd bathroom. Again, renovated, updated, ready for you to make it your own. Finally, the last thing we have is level 4. It is pre-wired for surround sound. There is all of the electrical there so that your wires don't have to show, and then you just have this great space. You can have drums down here, PlayStation down here, total man cave if you want it. It's just fantastic. There's a little bit of natural light. The deck is built out over the top of that, but storage closets, the whole 9. So this is it, folks. 3501 Brookwood in Fairfax City. Mark your calendars. We're coming live, and if you would like to see it beforehand, either have your agent call me or call me directly, and we will get you in here. Thanks.